One, two. Hello, everyone. Good morning. This is Pao Rizzo, and I am an executive assistant here at Athena. And isang taon na ako dito sa Athena. So basically, isang taon na rin akong executive assistant. So yeah, for my last video, I know that I uploaded last January. I have shared with you guys na I was meeting this client kasi yung previous client ko or my first client here in Athena is nag-churn. So from that video, diniscuss ko sa inyo that I'm going to have a KYC. And right now, guess what? Today, iba ang aking kliyente. So I have a new client. That client that I discuss or I share with you guys that time, nag-churn siya. So basically, hindi naman ako yung reason kung ba't siya nag-churn. It just so happened na basta, maraming issue but it's already out of my control and it wasn't me na naging cause ng churn niya. So actually, sobrang daming nangyari sa akin for the past few months. After na client na yan, meron ulit ako naging panibagong client and nag-churn ulit siya. So, nakailang balik na ako sa rematching process actually. And this time, last April, so I met this client. Actually, ibinigay siya sa akin ni Athena. So, he was a rematch client and yung skills ko is nag-align kung ano yung hinahanap niya sa isang XP. So, we're running. We've been together since April and ngayon actually what time is it? What time na ba? It's 5:50 in the morning. So I'm actually in my shift. It just so happened na medyo wala namang masyadong pagawa. So, I am recording this video. So, ayun. So, guys, if you're gonna talk about rematching or magtatanong kayo about sa rematching, so it's a lot of process. So, I'm just so lucky na nabibigyan ako ng chance na mag-rematch. At itong client na to na kung saan ako ngayon is also a VC. My previous one that I shared with you guys during my last video was also a VC, venture capitalist. So I think yung experience ko sa kanya helped for me to be chosen kung sino ang client ko. So ayun guys, sana magtagal siya. Sana talaga at sana makuha ko yung 100% trust niya. Kasi to tell you honestly guys, sa pagiging VA or pagiging executive assistant, hindi siya madali. Yes guys, hindi siya madali talaga. Minsan iniisip mo kapag hindi ka pa VA or executive assistant, ay madali lang yan kasi ganito o ganyan. But it's not. In the reality, it's not because it's not more on the skills that you have, but it's more on kung click kayo ng kliyente mo. So, as of the moment, nandun pa ako sa process na kinukuha ko yung trust ni client kasi I think he's a VIP. I think my OM mentioned to me before our KYC na VIP tong client na to. So he is a VC, venture capitalist. So marami talaga siyang pera, mayaman talaga siya. So yung task din na ginagawa ko sa kanya is very different. So kung ang mga kliyente nyo, mga VC din or nandun sa same industry kung nasa ng client ko ngayon, shout out sa atin. So, the job, if you're gonna ask me about the task na ginagawa ko, so, it's more on CRM management. At guys, hindi to basta CRM ha. And when I talk about CRM, ito has something to do with the entries ng mga clients or ng mga investors. So, bawal talagang magkamali. Kasi we're talking about money, and when I say money, it's not 1,000, 2,000. So we're talking about millions, 100,000 na nasa dolyar. So, yon talaga, nagsusumikap tayo na huwag magkamali. And ang challenge lang, kasi challenging to client ko actually, medyo nahihirapan kami ng operations manager ko dito kasi uh, his email management style is kind of different. So, it's very unpredictable. Marunong ako sa email management kasi syempre, pa ilang client ko to, technically, pang-apat na client na to. So, syempre, may natutunan naman siguro ako sa may experience na yan. And also, one of the core skills na kailangan ni Athena is email management. So, nagkataon lang talaga na iba yung, iba yung trip niya. So, it's not set on stone. So, kailangan mo talagang magkaroon ng dynamics when it comes to that. Pero, so far naman, so good. So, medyo mahirap. Medyo mahirap siya na challenging. So, kung kayo ay nandito sa posisyon ko na nagkaroon na kayo ng maraming kliyente or napunta kayo sa rematching process ng ilang beses na, guys, tiwala lang. As long as wala kayong ginagawang masama dun sa mga previous client ninyo, you're good to go. Athena will give you the chance to be rematched. So, ayun lang. So, share ko lang kasi meron akong time. So, hopefully, makapag-upload pa ako ng maraming video para masanay din ako kasi the last upload was January 1. I think bagong taon. And I really wanted to do this and I really wanted to master this so I can share with you my experience as an XP, knowing na who knows, right? Marami ding mga, I think marami din mga talagang empleyado or mga tao na gusto mag-apply kay Athena or also want to experience how to be an XP or who wants to leave their job right now, more especially yung mga nasa BPO na gustong magkaroon ng work from home setup. So, yes, please guys support me. So I'm just new here, and as much as possible every day I will try my best to upload so I can give you my first-hand experience to my client and also to share with you some of the skills na natutunan ko along the way. So thank you, and have a great day.